Morning everyone. We're here in McDonald's, Cauldron, Newport, meeting up for the ride out today. Everyone's here. Hello everybody. Nice turnout. Got lots of nice bikes here. My dad's here. First ride out. Say hello.
How are you, son?
All the nice bikes, looking good. And I'm gonna grab Gareth, but yeah, he's leading the ride out today.
I haven't been grabbed for a while.
So, where are we going today, mate?
Today we are going to some of the finest roads in Wales. We're heading up towards Crickhowell, through Crickhowell, across to Builth Wells, then Llanrindod Wells for a nice D&P stop, and then straight across to Rhayader, to Devil's Bridge and the two Hoots Caff for a break there. Then we're going to leave there. Still going?
Yeah.
Then we're going to go on the coast road to Aberystwyth, Aberaeron, cut back in Carmarthen, and then finish at Swansea West Services.
That sounds fantastic. Let's get on with it soon. We just had a nice stop at the Two Hoots Cafe. We're gonna head off to Aberystwyth now. Let's go.
Everyone's running like they stole a dream. Images of magazines. Take your chance while you're still young. Glory flickers like a candle in the desert sun. Wasted time on an overpass, watching how nothing lasts. The streets are filled with a hollow glow. The bellies ache where shallow hungers grow. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Everyone grows older, we all just want to start again. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Standing on the shoulder, looking for a promised land. Where do you hide on a quiet night, when your fears are nestled by your side? The TV screen burns too bright. You sit and talk, a ghost behind your eyes. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Everyone grows colder, we all just want to start again. Don't rush me, I just want a little more time. Standing on the shoulder, looking for a promised land.
A fantastic day today. Big thanks to Gareth and Ian for leading the way, and for Martin and Stan looking after the back. My dad's first ride out today, he did amazing. 73 in a full day on a Harley. Excellent. Anyway, if you've watched, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Woo!
Sign of you coming home, 'cause you'll never find what you're looking for. I've been making up lies like a